Hello guys, hello YouTube. Yes, this is another one. Yes, I will say part 3 of this video on the body kit installation. So you can see everything is complete. You see the front and you see the side and all the way to the other side. So on this one we are going to be adjusting the exhaust. As you can see, we have the diffuser here, yes, which has 2 exhaust opening, and then if you try to install it, you can see the exhaust is away from where it's supposed to. You see this other side, the exhaust need to come to here and this come to here, so it can balance like this, stay at the middle. I am going to be showing you how I'm going to adjust the exhaust to fit back as it's supposed to on the car. Yes, so on this exhaust we have stock exhaust here, which is straight from the engine. Yes, we only have one joint. That's the issue we have here at the after catalyst converter. That's where we are going to lose it out, and we have a couple of rubber that hold it in place. So I am going to bring the exhaust down and then show you what we are going to do on it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yes, okay guys, yes, I get it loose out. To lose it up, you can see it's a straight pipe, yes, all the way. So there's a clip here, is held by 16 millimeter. Yes, I lose this, and there is a bracket that hold it at the middle of the car. It's held by L and key. Yes, 12 TM L and key TC, right? 12 L and key, style L and key. You have 6 of them, which I'm going to show you when I want to tighten it. Here is held by 13 millimeter, and the other side is 13 millimeter. So I get that loose, then this will be drop easily, yes, without no issue. So right now I am going to open this up, yes, by cutting it here. I'm going to get it cut off, so let's get into it. Yeah, okay guys, I get it cut and I get it opened already. This is it. This is all it. So we are going to take all the fiber out, yes, like so, and I have the small one here. Okay, so okay guys, so you can see how it is. So right now I am still going to remove the cover entirely. Yes, going to cut it. Reason being, if I'm going to weld all here, I need to weld the other side too, which if I didn't remove it, I won't be able to weld back here. And also you can see opening here, I need to weld it. The back I can easily weld here, but the back I will not be able to weld it. So right now I'm going to cut it out. Yes, cut it, turn it upside down and cut it, and then remove this. So let me get it done. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, you can see I removed the cover and this separated. You can see, so this was insert like this. Yes, that is how it is. So it make my work easier for me. So right now I am going to take off this. Yes, take off this entirely with this pipe. I will leave this pipe, then I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, okay guys, as you can see I get everything cut off. You can see the big pipe, the small one, and the other one. So right now I am going to measure it. Yes, shrink here, because I told you I needed this to come back maybe 3 to 4 inches, and this to come back 3 to 4 inches. So I'll measure everything off, I'll cut it, and I'll tack it, then I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, okay guys, so to be able to reduce it, yes, I measure this. Yes, I'm going to do it like this. To be able to remove this, yes, to reduce the pipe to come to a line here and here. So I figure it out. It's going to be 25 and a half. Yes, from here, you see, to here, it's going to be 25 and a half. That's me to align here at the middle of the opening to this middle is 25 and a half, which means, yes, initially before I cut off this, I measure the distance from here to the other here. It gave me 29 minus 3 centimeter. So right now I am going to minus 25 and a half from 29 inches. so it's going to give us 4 inches. So now I'm going to divide 4 inches by 2 inches, reducing 2 inches here. Then it will align to 25.5 here. So to do that, I first of all cut off this. Yes, here is here. I cut here off out, then putting this and minusing 2 inches from behind, because I did not finish cutting this one out. The 2 inches that I have that I need, I measure it here. From here to here is here. So I'm going to cut off here, but before I cut it off, reduce 2 inches out of there, I have to make sure that this pipe enter all the way to here. So by doing that, I'll cut off this. After cutting off this, then I will insert it and begin to reduce it until it touches here and align with here. This should align with here. That was where it is my plan, and that is how I'm going to get it done. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same way, the same that I do here. I'm going to duplicate it here and get it done. That is how I'm going to do it. So let me get it done. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, this is it. I get it done. Yes, taking out 2 inches here, and it gave me, yes, it gave me 25 and 3/4. Not bad. Yes, it's too little bit too a shift to the other side. Yes, it's not center. Yes, I decided to do it like that because I can also add another pipe here so that it can be 4 exhaust tips, like 2 here. So that's why I get it done. So on this mesh, so I am going to seal it off like this, and I'm going to do the same thing on this too. Yes, you can see how I cut a pipe, cut it into 2 and insert it, tack it in place, and then I'll fully weld it. Yes, so I'll do the same thing on this. On the other opening, I'm going to cut a round coins and weld it round, and that's it. So I'm gonna get that done now. Yes, want to get into it, so I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, I fully welded everything. Yes, all the joint has been welded. You can see, yes, all the joint has been welded, yeah, except this. So what I did and what I'm going to do again is that I'm going to fill all this hole one by one. After getting it filled, finished, sound it, clean it, then fully welded it straight line. I fully welded it like that, and yes, it's going to be great. Yes, no issue whatsoever. I've done it so many times, and I'm still going to do it again, and there's no complaint or issue. I'll show you. I've gotten the other side done. Yes, it's still hot. Yes, as you can see, this is how I get it done. Yeah, you see, fully welded it and then stay in place. You can see the coins has been welded too, and this joint has been welded. You see this, you see that. So I'm going to get the other side done, then I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, hey guys, yeah, I get it finished. Yes, this is how it is. Yes, I want to show you all the way they touch the resonator, and that is it. So right now I am going to fix it. Yes, this is already be opened. It's already open. Yes, so I will just have to install it without plugging the socket, but as well I can still plug the socket and control it in the dashboard. So let me get it installed. I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, okay guys, yes, I get it tight. I told you earlier on that I will show you what I tight. Okay, you can see that this is 16 spanner, 16 millimeter that hold it in place. You can see it's just a round clip there. The middle is held by Allen key, 3 Allen key here and 3 Allen key there. You can see, then all the way to the back with a rubber bracket. I use the same bracket, the original bracket. Yes, that is what I use. So I am going to show you. Let me go out. Okay guys, yes, so you can see the bracket there. You see the same bracket that I use there, that's what I use. On the other side, the same thing. You see that? So I did not plug this, but I'll plug it. Yes, and that's it guys. Yeah, so guys, this is how it look. Yeah, so right now I'm going to test it out. Yes, this coupling of a thing is going to be for the panel beater to couple it up. Yes, that is it, guys. Okay, so on the exhaust, I am going to do a cold start now. Yes, it's the next day, so placing my camera. Testing this on this car now. Yes, if you first of all start it in the morning, it won't be loud. Yeah, reason being that valve, exhaust valve that I said I won't plug, but I later plug it. Yes, it will not sound, but after it get warm up like 80 to 100, then the valve will open up, and that's when you can hear the noise, the sportish noise, which I'm going to press it now. You can hear that. That yes, it sounds pretty good. Yes, and the car pick more. Yes, the best sound ever you can get. So this road is very busy. I won't test it more than that. Yes, that is it on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.